Nigerians now, all those food people when they sell food for Nigeria now don't come out and come to say, say the way when gas they cost for the way when gas they cost for this country now. See, many Nigerians people when they say that they go they buy food for roadside, everywhere they buy food, maybe they expect to chop food when it's not done now. Either you chop food when it's not done, or this time when you go chop 2 semo before you go belly food. That 1 semo and if you can turn to 5 because the way when things they cost for this country. And what make me, Papa Kolisi and Josh move back, come out and come see move. Hear this story according to how Nigerians they compare to us on our channel.
Anyway, Nigerians, on our well done. The truth of the matter be say, make we will tell ourselves the truth. I won't even ask questions because me, if I start that question at the first they ask, I beg this country will they do all year. You get where they talk say all year producing, we be all year producing nation. How come we be oil producing nation? Everything that has to do with oil now they cost pass. What do they have for the country? Gas, I go buy gas. Me said that's so bad. Nigeria they turn to another thing though. Very soon now, on I go use Abacha stove. Bam.
Not be
the way they go so, on I go use Abacha stove. This country where would they so gas, ordinary gas, how many kilo? That day when we go buy? Ordinary 6 kg. Now if they go how much?
Close to 5,000.
5,000-6,000 and something. This country, where will they go?
I don't know.
Now only where we come from. Now we know. Now we don't know where we go again. No. I bet. Well, where did they hide this thing? Where did they happen now? The oil when they ground stop to the flow. I bet. Oh God, which kind of country we dey? Which country be this? On another talk fruit. Where did they happen?
The thing we just did be say, I always see ask people this question. Say, it's like. I want to even confirm what did make that gas cost because I believe say this gas issue is supposed to concern anything concern economy issue. If you are not selling gas also amount like 5k to 6k for 6 kg in 2 to 3 years time, how much we going to sell them? I'm going to like okay, let me say 1
now 3 days this thing take the right 3, 4, 5 days. Which one be?
I go gas station yesterday, my brother. I sit down, I tire. I pity those who will get like 3 to 5 children now these days because I don't even know how they want to take care of their family because right. The situation in this country now is getting worse and worse.
You know, say when me and you go America that day, the gas when we say we meet for the hotel where they give us there. We know big rich when they go for Nigeria.
I thought that
we know how many days when we cook for that hotel for America.
Now one for you.
The gas not finish, but for Nigeria here now. The gas when big pass that one, because they can cook before you will know God don't do even the food.
I don't even know whether na breeze now.
No, as they cost now they blow breeze.
Because last month, this month went past to this October, I buy gas.
Okay.
Not be if I tell you the kg you go shock. I buy gas. I can't dey surprise. Not be say that they use am, not be say that this thing so. I just surprise. He not the leak because if gas leak, you know how dangerous it is.
Yes.
This thing they vanish.
Wait, guy, you get what I want to talk now. You just you know say if gas dey leak, you know how dangerous it is.
How
dangerous? It dangerous before. That one na before. I said before. You fit put water for fire, I mean say you wan go piss.
No.
Before the water don dry gbagada. But now they cook something sef. You fit go Yanoworo. I put beans for fire, I go Yanoworo, come back from Lekki to Yanoworo. The food still never done.
Na one for you.
The gas now.
I dey use gas.
I dey use gas.
My whole understanding be say as we were saying before, this is our government issue now. Not the for our hand, not be our hand today again. Other people hand now can be. Now this issue of gas, I can see that in some years coming, we will switch enter stove from stove to charcoal.
Not be
yes.
Not be yes.
Okay, no,
it can happen. See what I want to tell you now. You say they're going to use stove. You don't even ask how much kerosene be.
Some people say kerosene manageable.
You know who tell you? Kerosene no good day. They talk about manageable. No be wetin they manage.
No be they manage.
I just tell you say the country don collapse. Reach the stage where we say even firewood now not there again.
Okay, wait. May I ask you a question? Kerosene dey manageable. Okay, now. Shebi na you comot for your house that day go filling station when dey near you go buy gas.
Yes.
Okay, when you reach there, kerosene dey for the same filling station.
They don't get to.
Oh, I thought they manageable. Before you say kerosene buy for this country, you go sweat like this. If you want buy kerosene for Lagos now, you dey Aja, you go Yanoworo go for kerosene.
You know that thing, no, it's not. It's becoming another thing.
If you go filling station
because I believe that kerosene is supposed to be a common man. Productivity where we go take cook. Good. Today now. You cannot build the house now then go they use firewood till they cook. Even the firewood is it easy? When I see whether they sell one bunch of firewood when not reach 6 for 5,000 naira,
yes.
My life change.
You want to go see that firewood?
Okay, now, okay, wait. You can imagine now when they say this thing cost, this thing cost, this thing. Okay, wetin make firewood cost again now? Abi wood no dey for
No, now.
Even the thing surprise me.
The area, so they see that firewood now.
They say
Government
estimate
don't clear that area, don't build mansion for that area.
No be mansion. They will say estimate dey there.
So there's no space to even get that firewood again.
They will say estimate.
My brother, this how they tell you so not be inside town o. Na for village I for see 5k.
Okay, for village. Oh.
Yes,
Okay,
na
for
come
city.
they say who this firewood who because everybody for the village dey use firewood. How come na so they tire which no this one not to cost na 2,000 naira. I can't count the firewood. I can't even think about the hope where those people go take live forever. They no dey collect
or for the
salary
time when they wan leave.
I can say so continuously you will buy it. You be like who get one sickness o when be say you dey live on drugs. You don't know when and when. Money finish now, you are gone.
Bam.
Which kind of country now we dey? So which kind of country we dey?
Alright, see one thing I want to know. You know, say if they say EFCC, you know, say that EFCC, that's one of the seats there in our economy. Wetin make EFCC no come dey check why things dey cost for this country there, rather than say they go dey ask people say how you dey buy Benz, how you dey buy. Okay, now what about the things wey dem dey recover? That one we'll talk that one for another show. As since dey cost so since economic dey for una name EFCC, make una come out and come help us check why things dey cost too.
There supposed to be a branch of people when they checkmate things like that.
Yes.
Because this country, the way they go so, every arm in government supposed to come out one by one. According to how they give you name, now you will take work. Because the way the country they go so, if we not join hand together to operate this thing so, if una go give chance, while I go there, not be by say person dey government office or person na one position in dey. Not be you take get sense so. Some people dey. I don't want to check this is a governor to advisor to governor on social issue, advisor to governor on social women issue. Advisor to governor, I know they see say the country and the state one are there, not get head.
No get head. Yes.
Even if the governor know they see, I know they see which kind of position, una go collect salary, una go collect everything, una go just dey the country just dey do like that. The weight on the fight for this country, una go see as soon.
Now when the advice I know what they do that one.
No, wait. Let me tell you something we don't know. The kind of advice I when they give these days now, it just be like say I go marry your sister now, I come become president. Your sister now, I just want make her just the siphon government money they give her, I come make her go marry that president. And you know they do anything now.